Welcome back to Market Headlines. At the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement, earlier today, JCI was opened at the level of 6,870. And then approaching the closing time in the first session, the index was on the level of 6,870.08. And then the index was showing strengthening trend. By the second session closing time, index was closed at the level of 6,862.25. And in short, JCI went up 0.34%. Next, we are going to see the sectoral movement. Leading the dynamics of today's trading, we got transportation and logistics that went up 1.86%. Cyclic went up 1.27%, energy went down 0.42%, and property went down 0.18%. We're moving on to top gainers and top losers. Here are the key highlights from today's trading session. From top gainers, BBRI went up 2.18% to the level of 4,680 rupiah per share. Central Asia went up 0.29% to the level of 8,500 rupiah per share. Antam went up 2.60% to the level of 2,370 rupiah per share, and AMRT went up 4.95% to the level of 2,970 rupiah per share. Meantime, the top losers for today's trading, we got BMRI that went down 2.51% to the level of 9,700 rupiah per share. BBNI went down 0.27% to the level of 9,125 rupiah per share. Adro went down 0.34% to the level of 2,950 rupiah per share, and METC that went down 1.79% to the level of 1,370 rupiah per share. And next, we are going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards the US dollar. Open at the level of 14,992, rupiah was also showing weakening trend towards the US dollar and was closed at the level of 14,975. And in summary, rupiah went down 0.07%. Vale Indonesia has produced 60,090 metric tons of nickel in May in 2022, or decreased by 8% year-on-year. Meantime, for 2023, Vale Indonesia targets production of up to 70,000 tons.
Vale Indonesia announced that it has produced 60,090 metric tons of nickel in May in 2022, lower than the full-year target. Productions in the fourth quarter of 2022 alone reached 16,183 tons of nickel in May, which is about 8% lower than the production's volume realized in the third quarter of 2022. Meanwhile, on a year-on-year basis, productions in 2022 decreased by 8% compared to the productions in 2021, mainly due to the implementations of the Furnace 4 rebuilding projects in the first half of 2022. Director of Vale Indonesia Bernardus Irmanto said that for 2023, the company targets productions of up to 70,000 tons in 2023. This number is slightly higher than the 2022 target of 64,000 tons. Previously, with the resumptions of Furnace 4, the company hoped to produce up to 90,000 tons of nickel per year. Furthermore, in 2023, Vale also hopes that nickel prices can still support the company's financial performance. IDX Channel reports.